Inhale and do backward bending. And hold your ankle, everyone. Yes. Hold. Extend your elbows, your back. Now slowly tighten your hips and try to lift up your knee up. Lift up your knee up. Very good. Hold your leg properly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, maximum lift up, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Keep your front leg on the 90-degree. Yes, and bend your body forward side for the relaxation. Just press your lower back downside this way. Hold. Press your abdominal portion downside. Keep your back straight. Look forward. Back straight. Press your chest more down. Keep your back release. Hips release. Release. Release and relax. Slowly come back. Leg change, everyone. Again, do backward bending with another leg. Yes. Come to the position. Inhale and do backward bending. Try to hold your ankle. Now tighten your knees and glutes. Now slowly lift up your legs, hold your legs properly. Extend, try to touch your head on the hips or on your thighs. Maximum, lift up 10, come on, very good. 9, lift up your knee up. 8, tighten your glutes, normal breathing. 7, breathe. 6, 5, hold it tightly. 4, little bit head, normal breathing. 3, tighten your knees. Tighten your knees. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Once again, keep your front leg on the 90-degree. Fold your body and just bend your body in the forward side. Do normal breathing. Press your lower back downside and loose. Keep it loose. Look forward. Look forward. Loose, loose, loose. Keep your hips loose, glutes loose. Relax, relax, relax. Slowly come back. Now change your body. Turn your body towards the wall. And both bricks, both or 3 bricks, just keep at the end of the wall. Now come to the Hanuman asana position by keeping the legs on the 3 bricks and then just fold your backward leg. Fold your backward leg. Yes. Lock your toes on the abdomen area. Yes. Now place your both palm on your front leg knee and push your body backside. Push your body on the backward side. Slowly, slowly try to look back. Look back. Look back. Slowly, slowly look back. Now place your both palm by the side of your knee on the backward side. Yes. Keep your both palms here. Yeah. On the floor. On the floor. Yes. On the floor. Okay. Just balance. Don't turn your body one side. Balance. Front leg toe straight. Okay. Balance. Balance. Balance, everyone. You can touch your toes on the wall. Balance. Good. Balance. Balance. 10, 9, 8. Balance. 7, 5, 4. Not from here. Go from upper side. Here. Just try to. Now just if you can hold your thighs also. And just try to find the balance and just hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Here only, just do forward bending. Hold your front leg toes. Keep the leg here only. Just flat your body on the forward side. Yes. Try to touch your hamstring muscles on the floor. Yes, yes. Backward leg, quadriceps should be touched on the floor properly. Bend more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Leg change. Leg change. Yes. Again, fold your backward leg. Yes, lock your toes on the abdomen. Yes. Now do little bit backward bending. First, find the balance. Make sure your front leg toe should be on the 90-degree angle. It should not bend one side. Yes, slowly find the balance. Okay, go. Now slowly place the palms on the floor. On the backward side, find the balance. Don't shift your body weight one side. Keep it here. Yes. And just balance. Good. Okay, here. Good. Slowly place the palms. Yes, other hand also. Rotate it. Good. On the floor. Keep it on the floor. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Now do forward bending. Just flat your body in the forward side. Don't go one side. Be in a center. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Everyone come to the single leg Dhanurasana. Ready? Let's start. Yes. Everyone do with the left leg. Hold your ankle. Rotate. Yes. Ankle hold, okay, ankle. And then maximum pull your leg upside and try to keep your hands and legs straight. You can fold your lower leg to support to the upper leg. Yes, maximum pull it up. hold from here. Now pull it up. Everyone, if you can, try to touch your head on the thighs, and after that try to touch your shoulders also on the thighs. Pull it up. Yes. 10, pull it up. 9, leg straight, leg straight. 8, leg straight. 7, 6, legs straight, keep it more straight, more straight. Try to touch your head on the back side. Yes. 4, maximum, maximum. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Leg change. Leg change. Ready? Yes, maximum, pull it up. Pull, leg straight, leg straight. 10, shoulder, try to pull your shoulders back side. 9, hold, 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 hold. 8, hold, leg straight. 7, leg straight. 6, leg straight, leg straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Come to the Sasankasana and release and relax yourself, everyone.